Man, I just gave a whole good description about something I learned this weekend, but then I realized I was talking to myself for 5 minutes because I didn't hit record on my phone because I suffer from a condition known as fucking forever stupid. But I wanted to share with my reselling friends something that I learned over the weekend, and that is, it has to do with your budgeting and your accounting and how you have multiple tools that you're going to use for your reselling business, and also how that can get out of control quickly as far as the sheer number of subscriptions, monthly memberships, and things like that that you opt into. So it kind of put me on a quest to start looking for something that's all inclusive, that will get most or all of the functions that I need, so I can eliminate some of the other ones. So I need a repricer for Amazon. That's kind of essential. A couple other things, but I had so many, like I had to go through, and there was some I didn't even know what they were. It was just $15-20 coming out of my account every month. Stupid crap. But the one that I want to call out is Inventory Labs, and what is cool about that is it has some really good researching apps for your phone called Scoutify, but you also get in Inventory Labs, you have the ability to add in all your little incidentals for reselling. So in the program, you can put in, if you have a subscription to like Photoshop, right? And you can put that in, so you can include that with your P&L. You can put in gas mileage, you can put in tune-ups, you can put in memberships, subscriptions, pretty much anything that is related to your business that's easy to forget, you can put that in, and that'll help do the accounting for you. So a common problem with resellers and the community as a whole is they use a lot of different financial metrics, and they are not used correctly, or they're used interchangeably. For instance, you hear a lot of people talk about return on investment, or profit margin, or their net sales, or their gross sales, their profit margins, net profit, gross profit, all this. A lot of times people are using those without understanding the actual correct calculations for them. Like your net sales, you hear that sometimes, right? Your net sales doesn't include your cost of goods sold. So, as long as you know what you're doing, it's fine. But if you're putting that in front of other people, like, you could muddy the waters for them real quick, and they could think that they're making money when they're not. So what I like about Inventory Labs is that has a function where you can put in all of your incidental charges, all of your subscriptions, everything that you're doing. The app is pretty good too. So the app, when you're in a store, in a thrift shop, or at a garage sale, whatever your thing is, you can load your product, right? And you can put in the cost, the date, where you got it, all that information, and it'll make a custom SKU for you like eBay has. It'll be formatted for Amazon, but still good. And then within that, when you're out there researching, when you open the app, it's going to give you the price and the Keepa history. So you're going to see the sales rank history on Amazon. You're going to see camel. So you'll see some data there on the item, and you can make a better informed decision quicker on if you should make that purchase or not. So that was my lesson for the weekend right here. And anyway, I really recommend checking it out, more so for the accounting than anything else, right? It's great to really understand what you're bringing in and what you are spending to see if you're making money. Because a lot of these people that post up big numbers on Amazon, they don't got a clue what they're making, and they are not making a lot of money, especially doing retail arbitrage. Because even when you're selling something for 3x the cost at retail, it can still be hard to make money because shipping is expensive. Amazon fees are expensive. eBay fees are expensive. Your service for payment gateway, your supplies for shipping, the overhead costs, right? All that stuff adds up. So having something like this where everything's in one spot and it's not quite as much of a pain in the ass as like QuickBooks is key. And you get the researching, you get the listing tools and all this stuff. When I say listing tools, I'm talking about FBA shipments more so. But you get a place where you can do your accounting, and run your reseller business. So Inventory Labs, and for mobile, Scoutify app. Pretty good stuff. Check it out.